Hello, I'm Pastor Marty here at Jamestown's First United Methodist Church. Our song today is Hail to the Lord's Anointed. Hail to the Lord's anointed, great David's greater Son. Hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. He comes to break oppression, to set the captives free, to take away transgression and rule in equity. He comes with succor speedy to those who suffer wrong, to help the poor and needy, and bid the weak be strong, to give them songs for sighing, their darkness turned to light, whose souls condemned and dying are precious in his sight. He shall come down like snowers upon the fruitful earth. Love, joy, and hope like flowers spring in his path to birth. Before him on the mountains shall peace the herald go, and righteousness in fountains from hill to valley flow. To him shall prayer unceasing and daily vows ascend, his kingdom still increasing, a kingdom without end. The tide of time shall never his covenant remove, his name shall stand forever, that name to us is love. Well, that is good news, isn't it? That Christ has come and brought us love. Have a good day.